Them say they want me to do this. So, me I go give it a go, you see me? Yeah. It's a new thing, you know? Like, I that's what me ever done before, like, not like that, you see me? So, them say it's a thing where post on Reddit. Reddit, I don't know if you guys know about Reddit. So I'm saying big up everybody who lock and load on the live, on TikTok live. Big up YouTube, subscribe and then big up on yourself. And if I first time when I watch, remember, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. No flow. But when I say this thing on Reddit, yeah, it say the title of the thing is Am I the Arsehole? So the person say, yo, you know what? You should read them things up on your life and react to it, innit? So I go up on Reddit and I find this one, like, so this one, the person said, am I the asshole for ruining my daughter's life? Yeah? Am I the asshole for ruining my daughter's life? So let's read what the person say. If they're the asshole, then me I go tell them if they were really asshole or not. Yo, I'm excited, me I laugh already to So, them said, listen, I have an 11-year-old daughter. We gave her a phone 2 years ago. It was an old iPhone 8 of mine. She mainly used it for calling, texting with friends and social media. Recently, she been wanting a new phone because her phone was old and all her friends have new phones. So I thought the iPhone 13 would be good option as it's $600, has good camera, battery life, and it look same as every other iPhone. But she specifically wants the iPhone 15 Pro Max because apparently it play console level game and has 120 Hz display. My daughter is a gamer and has always complained about her phone not being able to game properly as it's old. I did already tell her she would be getting an iPhone 13, but she admitted an iPhone 15 Pro Max which costs double the price. Honestly, I think it's a waste of money and said no. My daughter then get mad at me and said I am ruining her life and that her best friend has iPhone 15 Pro. My wife is consider we getting the phone and tell my daughter is a big gift. It won't watch. How many blood? You're not no asshole. You're not no asshole for that. Yeah, she figure sit down. Where say she a what? She a 11-year-old. She have 11-year-old, yeah? And she have an iPhone 8. And you get her iPhone 13. And she insists. You see me I tell you about them pitney nowadays? You see me I tell you about them pitney. Oh, no. Jesus Christ. I mean, I feel like say money up on tree or something. No, literally. When them pitney I feel like say you go pick up money off a tree, you go in the backyard, you pick the money off of the tree and come back and pick it and pay the bill, yeah? And pay the bill, buy food for them, buy iPhone for them, iPhone 15 Pro for them, buy Gucci for them, buy Louis for them, send them go to school, send them go on holiday. What's wrong with these kids nowadays? No, honestly, eh? Honestly, yeah. She feel sick with her iPhone 30. She a 11-year-old. That's what I'm saying. She feel sick with her iPhone 13. Literally, sick with the iPhone 13. You're not ruining her life. No, so iPhone. If you go buy the iPhone 15 Pro Max the year at 11-year-old because she demand it and she show tantrum say she want it, you have a problem. You see what I'm saying? A problem you have to put yourself in. Because when time the 17 and the 18 and the 19 come out, when time she are 15 and you cannot buy it for her, she gonna find somebody else who can buy it for her. I promise you that. So now broke them bad. You see what I'm saying? She decides that she don't want the 13 where you go buy gear and she already have the 8, make she keep the 8 and you keep your money. You see what I'm saying? Put the money there to good use. See if she got college. You see what I'm saying? Like, no joke. No joke. You can't broke them pitney up. If you broke them yo, they broke them bad, man. You can't broke them bad. That madness that. That a madness. That a madness. Yeah, God, that's okay. Yeah, yo, you should show a tantrum. So you say you buy her the 13 already. The 13 look just like all of them. You see what I'm saying? She be second with the 13. Where she a go with 15? Where you want, boy? She insists she get. And you go broke her bad now and buy her the 15 and talk about this a gift for her. Santa can the gift they can give her. So to next 2-3 year time when I Apple bust out couple more new phone and thing and the one you know move faster like the next one and all our friend them have the next one. Where you go do? When Santana come again, what gonna happen? Eh? No, sir, that's a madness, man. You can't do them thing there. You can't do that. You cannot do that. You must be mad. Oh God, yo, you know what? You're not the asshole for that. You are not the asshole for that. Let me go see if I find the next one. Where somebody are really the asshole, isn't it? You need to find the next one. You're not the asshole for that, brother. You're not it. You're not the asshole. If you and your wife go buy the phone now, then you're actually the asshole. But yeah, let's go find the next one. Am I the asshole for winning money, only giving my buyer child money? Huh? Wait, let me read this again. No. Me have to read the one again. No, let me read the one again. Am I the asshole for winning money and only give my buyer child money? Jesus Christ, the one you sound interested. The one you really sound interested. I'm 30, I'm married to my husband Tony, 35. We have a biological daughter together, Claire, 5, and he has a daughter, Anna, 10, from his previous relationship. Right before Tony and I get married, I went on my bachelor trip to Vegas and won a significant amount of money. The money was pre-martial assets, so it went my account and I paid off some debt and then took the remaining money and put into a trust for Claire. Recently we found out that Anna needs surgery, so Tony's ex-wife asked for help since it's be very expensive. Tony talked to me about it and asked if we could use some of the money I won in Vegas. I explained the money was in a trust fund for Claire and we couldn't take it out. Tony got upset. I only thought about Claire and never put anything aside for Anna, especially since it happened right before her become my stepdaughter. We got into a big argument and he's not speaking to me at the moment. Am I an asshole? There's a big fucking asshole there is. You is a big fucking asshole. Yeah, me sorry if you swear, but she's an asshole, isn't it? What the fuck? She's an asshole. Like, literally. Tell me now, how is she not an asshole for that? No. You're the biggest asshole for that. You see what I'm saying? I not even want to laugh because of the truth. You're the biggest asshole for that. You have to put yourself in that same position. That's what I'm saying. 5 years from now, you and Tony can break up and your daughter Claire at 10 and Tony can go meet the next woman and marry to that next woman and the woman win some money And the same thing happened to Claire. Who you gonna feel if Tony turn around and say, yo, boom, bam, bam. Tony have all right now, if I'm me, we divorce. Me and you, Tony, you have to divorce or Tony right now, you have to left. Tony if you pack up his things them and cut right now. Tony if you left on him way. Tony, on your way. Please leave. Pack up. No good. Nothing to the rest of you, Tony. Tony need to pack up. But where the blood seed? Tony, I'm telling you, you need to pack your things and leave. She is the biggest asshole right there. No way she can do something like that, Tony, without even confront your first. Tony, you need to cut. You need to pack up your things then. Pack up. You see what I'm saying? Pack up and cut, brother. You can't stay. You see me? She win the money in Vegas, dog, and she not come confront you and say, yo, you know what? I win some money in Vegas, you know. And I pay off all of my debt, them, you know. That good, you know, so here I go on, I want 500 left, you know. I want 200 left, you know. So here I go to do this with it, you know. You see what I'm saying? When I'm married a team thing. You see what I'm saying? Another partnership thing. You see me? I don't know who can do what or who can do what. You see what I'm saying? A team thing, brother. We don't have to come together and talk and discuss certain things and anything that not work, Tony. Tony, you need to live. Tony, you need to go. You can't stick around, Tony. If one thing, no sir, Tony not to stick around, man. No, Tony, no sir, Tony, you cannot stick around. If you stick around, Tony, you're in a problem. I promise you that. Anyways, so we see. Me see if me can find the next one. Let me see if I can find the next one. Jesus Christ. You know what? You know what? Me enjoy reading them, you know. Let me see what comment they want to say. Even if you're not married, that baby was her stepdaughter. Yeah, man, not my stepdaughter, that for real. Our stepdaughter, she should have checked for her. That's what I'm saying. Like, when you're in a relationship and when you reach that stage where it's going to be all a marriage stage, that means, say, yo, certain things supposed to have reason about, certain decisions supposed to have thought about before then decision them make it. See what I'm saying? And that's facts. That's no joke thing. But yeah, you know what? I have left the rest of them tonight. I should have read one more. I have left the rest of them tonight. That's it. Bro, you know what? The one that don't come up already. I said one more. Alright, TikTok I beg for one more then. The one that come up, so we may go do the one. We do the last one then, yeah? They are going to do the last one there. But Tony, remember Tony, you got to pack your things and go file for the votes. Tony have to file for the votes. And guys, if you just are coming at the live, it's the new thing where we are going to start because this seems fun. It's a new thing for Reddit. We call am I the asshole. You see what I'm saying? So I'm going to read them and I'm going to react to them. But if you just a come, I read two already and you miss them two there, don't worry, you know. Don't worry. Tomorrow, them are going to on YouTube, you see me? Them are going to on YouTube. Yeah, go over there and we can watch them again. Yeah? Alright, let's go jump on the one then. Alright. Am I the asshole for making a white woman cry? What the hell? Jesus Christ. I'm 30. My mom is Afro-Jamaican and my dad is Irish Jewish. So my hair is extremely curly and I have a lot of it. I usually wear it braided to manage the heat and humidity. But tomorrow is wash day, so it's currently loose. I had a pop over to the grocery store for a dinner party, but the closest store was out of what I needed, so I had to go for the what? The white subway, the white suburbs. On my way out, I felt something tucking in my head, so I wipe around. There is an old white woman, maybe mine to late 60, with joy in her hands. She said, I just wanted to see how soft it is today. Was just not the particular good day. So I did yet at all. It's is there a fucking pity? No. No. Wait. Wait. No, sir, we are going to read it. No, sir, no, sir. Oh, God. Which part of it started? Alright. I just said, I just wanted to see how soft it was. Today was not a particular good day, so I did yell at her. Is there a fucking petting zoo side picking to my back? She immediately we can't read it aloud. Hold on. We have to stop laughing first. Oh, stop laughing, wait. Oh, God. Alright. Should I start over back then, yeah? Let me start it over back. Sorry. I apologize for that. But we could have won it back. You see what I'm saying? Alright, me start right from the top again. Right from the top again, yeah? Am I the asshole for making a white woman cry? I'm 30, my mom is Afro Jamaican, my dad is Irish Jewish, so my hair is extremely curly and I have a lot of it. I usually wear it braid to manage the heat, but tomorrow it's washing day, so it's currently loose. I had to pop over to the grocery store for a dinner party, but the closest store was out of what I need, so I had to go to the white subway. On my way out, I felt something tucking in my head, so I whap around, you know, it's like whap around, you know, like you feel something tuck in the head, so you whap around, like, you brush it off, you know what you see what I'm saying? So she brush it off and then she turn around, so she said, when she turned around, there was this old white woman, maybe mid-60, with joy in her hand. She said, I just wanted to see how soft it is. Today was not a particular good day. So I yelled at her, is there a fucking petting sign zoo picking to my back? Picking to my back. She immediately started stumbling and trying to explain herself, insisting that she didn't mean any harm. I responded by asking if you wouldn't pet a dog without asking first. What makes you think it's normal to stick your filthy hands in a stranger ear? She started crying and other people started coming over to see what the problem was, so I just left. I told the story to my husband, white male, 42, and my parents, 52. My father 57 and mom 67. My mom is on my side, but my dad and husband are saying that I could have been more understanding to this woman. So now I am ready edit to call my age. Am I the asshole? You're not the asshole. Me I pick your side, yeah, man. You're not the asshole. But you know what? You could have deal with, you know. It's kind of hard to choose the one. You see what I'm saying? You kind of hard to choose the one, you see me, because the one you're like, she's not the asshole, you know. But there's ways of dealing with things. You see me, but then again, yeah, she as she said, today wasn't a particular good day. She not have a good day. She not happy today. She miserable. You see what I'm saying? Like the world tumble down on her. You see me, one bag of was in her back, a sting her up. You see what I'm saying? Like she not happy. You see me, she dep on fire. You see what I'm saying? So even if the old lady didn't even walk past her and bounce her, or even walk past her and brush on her, the old lady they would have get it that day. She would have get it because she not in the vibes and today. She not feel it. She not depend that. No, she not depend that, man. She hot. She hot. You see what I'm saying? But you see what I'm saying? She could have deal with it properly. She could have deal with it. She could have said, you know what? You know, not touch me here like that. You not have no right to do that. She not have to yell. She not have to. You see what I mean? But yeah, man, Mr. Warner said, she is right though, that's true. I may not have said petty, but she is right about touch. Yeah, I'm saying, you're not touching like, you can't just touch people like that. You can't just go around and just touch people here like that. You see what I'm saying? Like, enough time ago, you know, my ear loose and whole, people ask, yo, can I feel a ear? No, because I'm not like people put their hand in my ear. No, don't. You see me? But and maybe if somebody put them one in that in my ear like that, me don't know. Maybe me would react the same way. Or maybe would I even react worse. So me do understand where she have come from, but there's ways of doing things. That's what I'm saying. There's ways of how you can react to things. So yeah. But yeah. It's nice, isn't it? I think this is nice, you know. This is nice. This is something we can deal with. This is nice. We can read this and yeah. It's nice. Yeah. It's nice for real. I like it too. I like it. Yeah man, it's nice, you know. I like it. Right. Look forward for more of this, you see me? Yeah, we can look forward for more of this. Definitely. Yeah. I like it. I like it. So we definitely look forward for more right. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. More right coming out. Jamaica Enzo talk show, podcast setting. You see me? Yeah. I like it. Yeah man. I like it. We should do more of this. We should do more right. I wanna think it. It's a bit late now still, so I can't sleep because I've been sleeping all day. But I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to get some sleep.